If you love mackerel fish, move closer. This fish sauce, you are going to love it. It's so simple to put together and absolutely delicious. I'm going to start by adding some oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with some diced onion and I'm going to stir it for about 2 minutes just to add flavor into the oil and to soften the onion a little bit. Added the curry and thyme for more flavor, and I'm going to give it a quick stir for another few seconds just to infuse more flavor into the oil. I'll go in with the pepper mix. This is tatashe, onion, tomato and chili pepper, which I just boiled down a little bit. I have a video on that. I'm going to link it in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I just added salt and seasoning cube and I stir everything together until they are nicely combined. Added a little bit of water just to cook the sauce. I stir everything together nicely. I'm going to cover the pot and allow to cook. While it's cooking, I'm stirring on it so it doesn't burn. The sauce has cooked down very well. It smells so good, guys, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and add my deboned smoked mackerel fish, which I have a video on that, and I'll go ahead and add some green leafy veggies as well. This is optional, but trust me, if you add it to this sauce, it takes it from 0 to 100. Go and give it a try. I will gently stir the sauce together because I don't want the fish to break apart. I already baked the fish, but I don't want it to bake more than this. I will just gently stir everything together nicely. I'll cover the pot again and allow the sauce to fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it, guys. Super simple and absolutely delicious. I give the sauce a final good stir and it is ready. You can enjoy this sauce with some white rice, with some yam, with fufu, any fufu of your choice. I enjoy mine with rice. My son enjoyed his own with fufu and it tasted absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!